Hello everyone. Now we'll take the problem number 14 in the EMF. An infinitely long uniform line charge is located at phi equal to 3, z equal to 5. If rho L is equal to 30 nanocoulombs per meter, find electric field intensity at the origin. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पर ये बोल रहा है कि एक यूनिफॉर्मली लाइन चार्ज है इन्फिनिटली लॉन्ग यूनिफॉर्म लाइन चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है रहा है और उसकी अमाउंट कितनी है, दैट इज़ दी 30 नैनोकूलम पर मीटर। तो जो यहाँ पर जो यूनिफॉर्म लाइन चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है उसका लोकेशन दिया हुआ है y इक्वल टू 3, z इक्वल टू 5, ओके। और हमें बोल रहा है फाइंड द इंटेंसिटी एट द ओरिजिन। तो सिंपली जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू द infinitely line charge, right? The same expression we'll use in this problem. So the expression was, हमने नोट किया था, electric field intensity due to the infinitely line charge distribution will be given as the rho L upon, this is given the, we can write the 2 pi epsilon naught, this is the R and this is air, right? This is R and this is given as the air. Now here we can say also the electric field intensity equation we can write rho L upon 2 pi epsilon naught. I can write it, this is given as the R12 and this is given the AR12, right? R12 में यहाँ पर 2 क्या है, 2 वो लोकेशन है जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी हमको फाइंड आउट करनी है, और 1 क्या है, इट इज़ द यू कैन से द लोकेशन ऑफ द line charge distributions, right? So here we can say that the coordinates, we can say the coordinates of the base vector, we can say this is R1. So the R1 we can say it's a position vector of the infinitely long line charge distribution. So we can say this is given the 0 into ax, because there is no x coordinates here, so x is become equal to 0. So we'll write the plus 3 into is given what, ay, and plus this is given the 5 into az, right? And also we'll write the position vector for 2, R2 is the location, R2 we can say it is the coordinates where the intensity has to be find out, or as we can say in this case that because it is at the origin, so we'll write the origin coordinates are what, 0 0 0, so we'll write 0 into ax plus 0 into ay plus 0 into az simply. So if we need to find this value R12, right? So if we need to find the value, this is given the R12, so we can write here this R12 will be given as vector, we can write this will be given as, so R12 means 2 minus 1, okay. So this will be given as 0 minus 0 is give 0, so this become the 0 into ax, 0 means 0, and this become the 0 minus is become the minus 3 ay, and this become the 0 minus 5, so become the minus 5 az. So ultimately we'll say this is the minus 3 ay and minus of 5 az, okay. So if we need to find the mod of this R12, so this become what, so this become the minus 3 square plus this is given the minus 5 square. So ultimately it will come how much, this will come 34. So this will be under root 34 we can say, okay. And also we can find the unit vector R12 will be defined as the vector divided by its mod, right? So here we know this is the vector R12 will be given as the minus 3 ay, this is given the minus 5 az divided by under root 34, okay. So now we have found all the values and we can put in the expression to find the answer. So we'll put in the intensity expressions. So intensity will be given as rho L is how much, rho L is given 30 nanocoulombs, so 30 into 10 to the power minus 9 upon, this is given the 2 pi epsilon naught, and this is given the R12. This is basically a mod. Okay, it's basically a mod. So this will be how much? So this is become the under root 34, right? And we can put the unit vector. Unit vector is given how much? Minus 3ay minus 5az divided by under root 34. So when you will solve this expression, I am finally writing the answer. You just check the answers. So this is coming the minus 47.582 ay minus 79.30 az electric field. So this is the our answer for this problem. Okay, you just check the calculations. So this is the electric field intensity at the origin due to the infinitely line charge distributions. Thank you.